How to turn off mic on Poppo live stream. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off mic on Poppo live stream. To turn off the microphone during a live stream on Poppo Live, first of all, you will need to open your Poppo Live application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, begin your live stream by tapping on this live option at the bottom right. After that, select your desired party type from the top, and after that, tap on the Go Live button at the bottom. Now, during the live session, you will find the microphone icon at the bottom left of your screen. This icon indicates whether your mic is currently active or muted. If the microphone icon is highlighted or shows that it's active, you can simply tap on it to mute your microphone. This will turn off your mic and prevent any audio from being transmitted during the live stream. To ensure that your microphone is muted, you will see a slash through it. Now you can continue interacting with your audience without audio input from your microphone. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off your microphone while live streaming on Poppo Live. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.